how you answer question 31 is really a good evidence of how badly algebra has broken your brain. Because if you become a very intense algebra robot through your math classes in school, you're going to start trying to write equations here. And you could, but gosh, why do that? Just follow the instructions. Just take it one piece at a time, okay? So tickets for a school talent show cost blah, blah, blah. Chris spends at least 11, but no more than 14 on X student tickets. There's that algebra. It's trying to cue you into doing that. But think about it. One adult ticket. Okay, the one adult ticket, adult, is $3. And then the student tickets cost $2. We don't know how many student tickets there are, but just add them in, right? So, okay, $2 per student ticket. Let's add in 2. That gets us to 5. That's one student ticket. It's not enough, right? It needs to be at least 11. So let's keep going. Let's add in another one. Another $2 is now 7. That's the second student ticket. Okay, still not there. Let's add in another. That's 9. That's the third, or let's do it here. That's the third student ticket. And we're going to be very, very close in a second. Add in one more and we have 11. That's the fourth student ticket. And now, check, we are at the point that the question instructed us to get to, at least $11. We could even buy one more if we wanted to and be at 13, and that's still within the range. So there's two answers to this question. 4 or 5 are both acceptable answers. And look, that's kind of why algebra isn't great here. Because in order to use algebra, we kind of need to deal with this uncertainty that there's multiple possible answers, and we really don't like that in algebra. We prefer it to just be x equals a number, and so we would need to create inequalities and deal with the uncertainty using inequalities. And gosh, that is just so much harder than adding 2 a bunch of times. So resist this urge to do algebra on every single question. And that's, I think something I say very frequently on easy questions and hard questions. Avoid algebra. Use the strategies to try to keep things simple. And you're much less likely to get things wrong. And I think you're more likely to save your brain power. Why waste brain power trying to come up with an equation to represent this when you can just do plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 like you were back in 3rd grade, right? It's like the most basic arithmetic you can think of. So if that's, describing a problem that you have, just keep it in mind that you've been programmed through years of school to do algebra, but this is not an algebra test. This is an SAT. It has different rules, so you're going to need different strategies to cope with the different questions.